In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to start copy trading inside of Exness. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to my.exness.com. I'll put a link to that down in the description below. From here you'll need to either sign into your already existing account, either using your email address or a Google ID, or you can register for an account by clicking right here and just follow the process of how you'll register a normal account inside a forex platform. Once you have logged in, it should look something like this. And now from here you'll be able to see the My Accounts, but you don't really need any accounts to start copy trading. The thing you'll need to do is go over to the menu over here and scroll down until you see Copy Trading. Once you're inside of the Copy Trading section right here, you'll be able to discover strategies, you'll be able to see your favorites, the assets, or My Strategies. From here, you can either discover strategies or create your own strategy by creating your first strategy right here. But to start copy trading using other people's strategies, you'll need to find the specific strategy that you want to copy. And to do that, you'll simply need to go down to either most copies or filter out what strategy that you want to use. So let's just use this one for this example. From here, as you can see, you'll see the return after 3 months, which is 31% for this one, the maximum drawdown, and the active investors. From here, you'll be able to create investment where you can add in how much US dollars you want to invest using this specific strategy. So if I click 10 US dollars and then click invest, then from here, it will automatically start. But as you can see, I don't have any money inside of my wallet account, so I'll need to deposit or transfer dollars over to my account. You can also go down here and see the overview of the account or strategy. You'll be able to see the orders that it makes, the strategy news, and about the strategy provider. And as you can see, it's from VN right here. And you can call it here if you want to do that, or visit their Telegram website if you want to do that. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!